Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 11th March 2024. The day is Wednesday. Sorry, the day is Monday. I'm sorry, guys, I'm tired. The day is Monday, and this is the first trading day of the week. Let me see how many are there with me. Who knows which day it is? Okay. Like I was saying that, guys, Dukas Copy is a member of the community. There's a Dukas Copy is a trading community. There's a dedicated website to that. You can check that out. Now, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm just an independent analyst who showcases you can say technical skills over here on the YouTube platform, and therefore all the views or the trading ideas that I am going to discuss here in this webinar, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy's research team. That is different. This is different. So what we are going to do here in next couple of minutes is we are going to discuss the price action. And when I say price action, we may include volumes somewhere and RSI for confirmation, but essentially it will be only price candlesticks. That's it. Two things that we will see here is price candlesticks and trend lines. Yeah. So as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information like news and everything is already priced into the chart. So I will refrain from talking about anything of that nature, and we'll stick to the price action, that is reading the charts. That's it. So we'll follow the charts only for our analysis, and in this program we'll be using only the candlestick type of charts because they give us the maximum possible information. So we'll not talk about any other type of charts. At the end of the session, of course, I will be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions in the chat. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. If you have any other question like related to risk management or something, you can ask that also, but not based on the CPI news and everything. Now only the risk management and the charts. That's it. And before I start the session, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or to increase your knowledge base, but you have to do your own research because this is not a trading advice. This video cannot be seen as a trading advice. So please do your own research before you put your money on the line, or if you want to trade in the live markets, you should do your own research and you should not rely on any video, even not mine. So before we begin, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer, because there is certain risk associated when we trade Forex on margin. So if this is your first time reading this disclaimer, you can pause the video here, understand it completely, and then only proceed to the charts. So here right now on your screen, this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. This is like now a ritual for me. Every day when I open the charts, I look at the dollar index first, and I think you should also follow the same trade so that you have an idea where the currency that is being traded most in the world is going. So US dollar is the boss, we all know it. So if the price of the US dollar is bearish, you should not buy it anywhere across the board. Okay, there are total 7 major pairs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So any pair that has US dollar attached to it and the major currency attached to it, they are called majors. So these are 7 majors, and the dollar index, it becomes 8th. And we are also going to talk about the New Zealand Canadian, Bitcoin, Brent, gold, Nikkei, and this particular stock which I am not aware what it is. Okay, this is just to showcase what is technical analysis power. So right now we have a bearish bias in the US dollar index, and this has just turned negative, I think on what was this day, 20th of February. After 20th of February, we are in a down move, and the down move was confirmed once the price made this leg here on the 6th of March. After 6th of March, we are aware that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. So till now, the price has broken the low of 102.57. Now, in this regard, I want to say that 101.63 is already exposed. Now, that is exposed, but when we should sell? Should we sell here? Should we sell here? Should we sell here? Should we sell here? Where we should sell? Well, it is very simple for me. I am doing this almost every time. Whenever you see that the price has started in the counter trending direction, you start making a channel. Most of the time, the price moves in channel, right? When you see such channel, you will expect this channel to be broken in the direction of the trend. In this case, it is a downtrend. So this can happen here also, or something like this can also happen, right? Something like this can also happen. So you see that the price is making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. As soon as it makes a lower low, you should be knowing that the price has started moving in the direction of the main trend, which is a downtrend, right? So you wait for the price to break this channel on the downside, and then you look for the selling opportunities. Got it? So the bias in the US dollar index is bearish. The ultimate resistance here looks like is 103.21, and you have a small support around 102.57, and actual target is 101.63 on the daily basis. Somewhat similar is the case with the pound. Now the pound has risen to this level. We can actually remove this. The pound has reached here. Now we are expecting the price to come down to 1.2775, where it should find sufficient support to push the prices further higher. And this looks like a textbook example, and I'm very anticipating this move. I'm anticipating this move very much, that the price will come back towards 1.2775 and then go back to 1.2996. So what you can do is here is create an hourly channel, just like you did in the US dollar index, and this recent low after making this high. What low did you make this one? Okay, so this may be your channel, and 1.2775 is where you are expecting support. So above this area, there is a possibility of the price to go like this. Okay, this is possible. Well, anytime you see the price going higher than the previous high, you look for a buying opportunity and go long with first this target. Later on, you can target this one. All right. I hope this is understood by each and every one of you. So now the resistance in the pound, or you call it cable, is 1.2996 on the upside, whereas there is a support. There is a potential support because earlier it was very good resistance. Now once something was a very good resistance, when it is broken, it tends to act as a good support. So expect 1.2775 to act as a very good support in the coming time. Talking about the euro, euro has a somewhat similar thing. This is also expected to move down towards 1.0897, where we can expect it to take support because earlier it was a very good resistance. So there's a possibility that the price will come here and then it will go back to 1.1. There is also a possibility of creating this rising channel and then expecting that the price will behave or will be respected here. This is what my expectation is. If you have a different view, you can write that in the chat box. We can discuss on that. All right, so right now, if you have the price over here, you will find that price gets some resistance around 1.0932, and even if it rises from here, it will get resistance around 1.1000, which is the high over here, and lows over here. So I'm expecting this level to act as a good resistance, 1.1. Australian dollar, like I said, that from this fall, since this is a 50%, then expect some down move from here, and that is exactly what is happening right now. and expect it to reach at least 0.6543 before we start an up move here. That is my anticipation. Now if it takes more time, there are more reasons for the buyers to buy this market. One is this horizontal level of 0.6543, then one is this symmetrical triangle which is broken out and it will retest this area. So there are multiple reasons, right? And also this is also 23% of this fall, so that is also one of the reasons for the buyers to act on it. So this becomes a confluence of many supports. So if the price starts coming down to this level, it may be rejected from here towards 0.6748 in the coming time. So right now we have a horizontal support at 0.6543, the classic resistance around 0.6625, but since we have made a higher high, so this resistance is not of much importance. So the next level of resistance, which is around 0.65148, becomes our level of interest on the upside. Now in the New Zealand dollar also something similar is happening, but here New Zealand dollar has failed to go higher than this one. So these are two relevant equal highs, but I am expecting the price to come down to this level before it makes any move further. This is my anticipation only. I am not sure what is going to happen, but I'm expecting the price to come back to this level before it makes a move towards 6278. All right. STCHF, the bias is bearish now. Of course, the price is going up, but I'm expecting the price to go down very soon. So what you can do is here on the daily, you can create a channel and anticipate a down move as soon as the price reaches here. Why? Because this is also a confluence of two resistances. One resistance being offered by this falling channel and the second resistance being offered by this rising channel, which has broken and now may be acting as a resistance, right? All right, so you got the idea, right? We are in a downtrend in this one. This downtrend has just started and expect a down move from here around 0.8800 area towards 0.8455. For some reason, if the price starts going up, it has to break through 0.8893 for us to become buyers. Because the bias is bearish, I cannot buy this market even if there are green candles over here. What about the loonie here? Well, loonie has also broken. It has found some support at this previous supports. Now it's trying to go and cling this rising channel's support area, which may now act as a resistance. And I have created this movement, move, which suggests that what is the potential move in the future. So I'm expecting something like this. Let's see how the things unfold. Right now, we are not in a position. We don't want to buy this market, although it is going up, but we are going to sell this market because the market structure has broken. The price has seen a lower low than this previous low. So the sellers are in control of the market. They will definitely push the markets down again when they get the chance. USD JPY is suggesting us that where the next move of the US dollar will be. So it is suggesting that the price will break below 145.89 and maybe looking for 144.35 and 143.41 in the coming time. Right now, there is no certainty because the price is trading at the same levels almost where it was trading, but the candle is red and any up move should be seen as a selling opportunity in this one. New Zealand CAD finally a breakout and thereafter opening higher, closing lower, again opening at the same level, going down. I think it is going for finding a support here. This may be a good area for offering the support to the New Zealand dollar against the loonie with a target of 0.8417. Bitcoin, no looking back, 72,454 is where it is trading right now. I think it has been trading all day long a very high. Okay, 72453 is the price. The market has made an intraday high of 72,777. So yes, the price is headed higher. We were not looking back here in this one. any trade lower than 59,200 may push the prices lower. Till then, I think you should only be looking for the buying opportunity in the Bitcoin, nothing else. Well, the level of support seems like 66245 and 59,200. Brent, finally a breakdown from the symmetrical triangle. The candle traded lower, then it traded higher, but was rejected at this trend line of the symmetrical triangle. Now I think this trend line must be tested first, and if it breaks, then 76.66 will be exposed. But till now it looks like that the price is trying to find resistance at the higher levels, and it will be pushed down, I think, towards these levels. These are dynamic in nature. Today this level is 79.72 around. Gold, boom boom boom, the risks is everywhere. The gold is not ready to come down. The number of days 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now 11 times, how, in how many chances there is a possibility of 11 green consecutive candles? You can check that out. It is like 1 in a million chance. Okay, consecutive 11 or 12 things happening. Anyways, so 2183 is where the price is trading right now. I am expecting the price to move back towards 2146, where it can find some support, and then there is a possibility of the price going higher. Right now it looks like it is exhausted. For a very long the price has been sorry, the RSI has been above 80. I think this is not a good idea for the gold. Japanese index, last is the Nikkei. We had anticipated that a down move has started. Well, that day nobody trusted me, but today you will trust. Now this will trigger a down move in the US tomorrow, okay, and this will trigger a down move everywhere. So you can expect now this down move to some extent for some days. Now the next level of support here is around this one, and after it is this one. So we have 38,093 as the next level, thereafter 35,676 as the next level. That's all guys from my side. I don't have anything to say. The bias is bearish here now. Every rise at 38,868 should be seen as a selling opportunity in this one. So Bain is the last thing. We are not trading this market. It is just for ending this webinar. So I hope you like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat box right now. Or if there is any particular pair that you're trading and you want me to have a look at it, you can tell me that also. All right guys, since there is no question coming up, so I'll just wrap up this session by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that we have just drawn, how important they are, and what are their importance in the coming hours. Just remember one thing from my side, that never ever risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.